I like think of things as I go along. I have no plans. I never really make plans with them. I don't like doing crafts like that. What do they call that anyway? I don't even know. When people do crafts like that, they just do it as they do it. What do they call someone like that? That just does things as they do it. They have no real plan. I don't know. Surprise! Everything's a surprise. Everything's a surprise. Surprise. Yeah. Oh, that's cute. I think it's cute. We could put, I don't know. Who knows? We could put more stuff in. I'm going to be putting the legs, the shoes, which is fun. I'll show you how to do the shoes and the legs. And we're going to put the little end piece, which is, that's so super easy. That is like really easy. Like, you don't even really have to do anything for that, you know, like, you can use anything you want. Some people use like a little piece of wire, or you can use another piece of the string, you know, and have it hang, or you can have it like where it's quirky, bent kind of look, or like another piece of the ribbon, have that bent, you know, or I don't know. Like, that's, I think of things as I go along, you know? This is how I craft. I just think of things as I go along. And whatever works, and whatever looks good as I go through my stash of stuff and just put it together. I don't do this for every craft. This is just what I do in between. When I'm not making orders and I have stuff, you know, and I want to play around and do stuff and utilize some of the scraps that I have. This is what I do. And I just put stuff together with whatever's left. So this stuff isn't planned. It's just put together. It's like a know-nothing thing, you know. But I was so glad to be here. But I'm gonna head out because it's getting late and I'm tired. And I'm a big baby, right? She's like, she's only been on for an hour. What a big baby. But yeah, like you could hang. You could even just like you can even use this. I even like this because I wanted to hang another bee. I wanted bees hanging from there, you know. But I wasn't sure how I wanted to do it. I thought it'd be really cute to have bees, you know, like bees. But, yeah. Yeah. So, I'm gonna head out. I'll see you guys. Thank you for having me on here. I love you. But I'm gonna head out and I think I will shut this off correctly. Hopefully, and I don't make a fool out of myself shutting it off. I think it's this one right here. Yeah.